In this video, we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency VECHAIN, and we're going to be talking about and looking at the current chart. We're going to look at what the price prediction, what I think the crypto is going to be trading at in the near future. We're going to do a price prediction. We're also going to look at a piece of content information that looks at potentially how this could continue to rally and how VECHAIN could continue to go up. We've been trading down recently in the last day or so. We're going to look again at a chart and kind of overall kind of look at a state of the union. If you are new here, just discovering me, my name is Austin Hilton, and I am a 30-plus year stock investor getting into crypto. I definitely do not consider myself a crypto expert, but I'm getting more and more into it and starting initiating all things kind of crypto on my channel here and bringing you a lot of videos similar to this, updates, keeping you updated with major breaking news related to all your crypto that you may care about, VECHAIN, Binance, XRP, Ripple, Ethereum, Bitcoin, you name it. So if you care about crypto and you kind of want to be kept up with the latest news and what's going on and get kind of update videos like this, consider subscribing, become part of the community. Would love to have you here because I care about one thing. It's helping you to make more money in the crypto market and or in the stock market on both sides. I cover both sides of the street. I have update videos and stock tip videos related to on the stock side as well. Remember, this video is for entertainment purposes only, and as I mentioned, my goal is to help you make more money. That's what I care about. So overall, what is going on with VECHAIN? Again, I mentioned we're going to break here in a minute and go look at the current chart and kind of see what is the latest with the State of the Union. But for the most part, the VECHAIN's been trading down just a little bit. And it's actually right now ranked, I think, number 14 over on CoinDesk. So we're going to look at that and kind of see if it's moving up and down as far as overall market cap, things of that. So we're going to take a look at that, and let's go ahead and go do that. Here we go. So I misspoke. I apologize. I was looking at another site a minute ago. I meant digital coin. So we're over on digital coin. We're looking at the rankings, and yeah, VECHAIN is number 14. In fact, actually, right before I went on and recorded this video, it was 15. So it's actually moved up. So there you go. So currently trading, sitting at the 14th spot of all cryptocurrencies, and maybe continuing to move up just a little bit, gaining some popularity and momentum. So as I mentioned, we're going to look at the chart and look at kind of see what we currently are sitting at. We're currently sitting at around 19 cents. We're down 10.98%. So the 24-hour high is 21.6 cents. And again, we're currently sitting at pretty much the low right now. Okay, so let's look at the chart real quickly, and I want to look really at the 1 month chart. What I spotted when I was kind of looking at the 1 month chart, obviously, if you follow VE, you know that we hit our 26 cents kind of high around April 19th, and then continue to drop. Looks like our low as of recent is 14 cents. Would have been a nice buying opportunity at that level. And then we had another 16 cents. But from there, we've settled into kind of really a pretty decent sideways pattern up until, again, right now where we're kind of at. And so it looks like we've been really kind of going a little bit sideways as far as that. Not really any major ups or any major downs. I'm just looking at this real quickly, real quick. Yep. Okay. Yeah. So not bad. Okay. So overall, I like what I'm seeing kind of in the chart. I think that this might be a really nice buying opportunity to pick up some more VECHAIN if you are looking at this kind of bullish long term. What do I think this thing is going to be worth in, say, the next week or two, maybe month? I think that this could easily be, if you look at kind of where we're at right now, the 19 cents level, I think that our next level of resistance is really that 23, 24 cent per coin, per token level. And I think after that, we definitely could get to 28 to 30 cents maybe inside of a month if we have overall market conditions kind of continue to go our way. Bitcoin, Ethereum, the overall cryptocurrency market staying positive, things of that nature. I think we could potentially hit that scenario from an overall price prediction scenario with VECHAIN. Let me show you this little piece of content I've got for you, how VECHAIN price, VET, is on the cusp of a major rally as developers pitch NFTs. So the VECHAIN price is up for the past 4 consecutive days. We actually just looked at it. It's actually a little bit down. Continues to reflect on the year-to-date performance of the digital currency. VET is trading at 21 cents. Again, we're down just a little bit more than that. So it's probably about 58, 59% above the lowest level on April 23rd. Its market cap has surged to more than 14 billion. We saw that backed off a little bit. Market cap was sitting at around 12.3 billion. Right now, so it's actually, it moved down, and now it looks like it's moving back up a little bit per what we just looked at as far as the rankings, as far as overall market cap and the overall cryptocurrency market. The VECHAIN price has gained recently after developers talked about the enterprise non-fungible token ENFT strategy. In the paper, they made the case that NFTs could also be used to unlock quote, unprecedented and unsustainable value for businesses. They also identified the key building blocks for this ENFT to work. First, it needs to have a valuable asset that is linked to the NFT. This will ensure that the overall value used is bigger than the cost incurred. Second, the ownership represented by an NFT needs to be enforceable. And finally, NFT trading will need to be enforceable. They noted that the VECHAIN Thor blockchain network will be the best choice to enforce ENFTs because of the strong proof of authority consensus, cheaper transactions, and fee delegation. So, long and the short of it, VET could absolutely be poised to potentially to move higher, to move up. We know we've kind of talked about the overall price consensus, looking at maybe we have a really strong possibility. I think we got to get through that next really resistance level of, say, about 23 cents. We could easily, hit that towards the end of the week potentially, and then we're off and running as long as we continue to get overall positive momentum around the crypto market. We could look at 30 cents or more inside of maybe a month. I looked at some other analyst predictions, not analysts, but some other predictions related to this, and they were looking at 28 to 30 cents by the end of the year. I'm being a little bit more aggressive, and I'm kind of factoring in overall market conditions and things like that. And so I think that it has the strong possibility. Again, I'm not a broker. This is not stock advice. Consider this to be a entertainment purposes only video. I got to say that. But overall, I like VET, and I'm actually going to pick some up. I'm starting to pick up even more crypto, buying Doge. I'm going to buy some VET. Probably going to pick up some Binance as well, and a few others just to add out to my Bitcoin and Ethereum holdings, and just continue to add into that. I want to be in some of these other ones that are really starting to move up, or some of these other ones. And by the way, I will be initiating coverage on almost everything else you see here on this list. I did a Litecoin one the other day, by the way, so this is my first VECHAIN. I got a Solana video coming for you in the near future, stellar video. I do cover XRP, by the way, quite a bit. I cover Dogecoin a ton. Binance is coming, and I've got Bitcoin and Ethereum videos on the way as well. So I think overall, I really want to be in all of these to one extent or the other, and then have some highly speculative other holdings in some of the ones that are, a little bit further down the list here, right? And then kind of some of the ones that are definitely a lot more speculative in nature. I want to be kind of across the board, have a nice overall holding outside of Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are my two main ones. And obviously at current prices, are have a premium. I wasn't going to say expensive, but they do have a premium attached to them. And I want to continue just to add to my overall crypto. Again, I'm going to continue to do even more crypto videos. And I'll say this again, if you want to be kept up to date and kind of continue to get just news, what I do is every single day I'm looking at the top, 14, 15 cryptocurrencies, and I'm looking at price movement. I'm also looking at any kind of news that's come out or any kind of information that's come out that I think will, that you need to be aware of. Kind of like what I did with Dogecoin. You can check out my Dogecoin videos. I'll link to the end to my latest Dogecoin video. Anytime there's a movement or news or anything kind of going around Dogecoin, like this week, Elon Musk is going on to SNL on Saturday, this coming Saturday Night Live. So Dogecoin is continuing to kind of definitely move up, and move up. Like right now, Doge has moved up in the last 24 hours. It's moved up 33%. I mean, that's crazy that it's moved up that much. So overall, just keep you updated. So if that's something of interest to you, consider subscribing, become part of the community, drop a like on this video. I would greatly appreciate it. And until then, as I always say, go make some more money and make more tomorrow than you did today. See you in the next video. Good meeting you. If you're brand new here, definitely consider become part of the community and subscribe. and I'll see you later. Bye.